Now the first thing I will do is I will basically open the labs and push data randomly every second towards our environment. In this particular case, I will take a device test resource, and every second I will be pushing a different temperature measurements. And that's what we see here. That means that from now onwards, we'll be pushing data to our own environment. That basically means the data will be stored, but at the same time we can now start using this data to subscribe to it and run some processing. In order to do that, I will now go to the templates and take stream sensor that will be executed every time data arrives. In order to do that, what I need to do is to actually bind this resource, or rather to subscribe to stream and actually consume that payload. In this particular case, we are using the test resource. We need to execute that sensor when data is arriving. And later on, we will see we need to do one more thing on a template level. But before we do that, let me just add one more sensor here that will basically give me information that value has been consumed and processed, because I will use the information from the stream node. This is what I'm doing here. The stream payload will be here, and then I will basically just plot, or rather show, the temperature which is in the payload itself. Now, before I do something, I need to here say that this template will be executed in reactive mode, meaning that I will be basically sitting idle unless data arrives, in which case I will execute first node, and when data has been processed, it will be executed by the next one. And that's what we see actually happening here. We'll be every second pushing data from the external environment, and then as soon as data is arriving, it will be consumed by that first node, which will do nothing but just say, okay, I am receiving the data, and then the next information that will happen is that we will just simply show this in the debug dialog here. Now, before I finish, I need to do one thing now to save it as a template. I will now, instead of binding to one particular resource, I will put here a $sign, which means that I will inherit this binding from the template itself. In order to do that now, I just need to test it again. Now, instead of executing that, or rather setting that resource on the node level, I will set it on the template level. And as I do that, we will see now again the same thing happening. We are now binding the same test resource for the $sign that has been, which means that basically that binding was inherited from the template itself. Now that we are happy with that, let me save this template as a stream template. And now from now onwards, if we want to, for instance, create a task based on this template, I just need to say something like a test run. I will now select the test resource here. I'll put in reactive mode, and that's basically it. From now onwards, we'll be basically getting this information and being able to execute that for this given resource. And if I wanted to now reuse the same template for another resource, that was actually rather simple. So this is my template here. I can actually create a task for, let's say, device 1 now. Device 1 test run. And I'm going to bind this to device 1. And I put it in reactive mode again. What we'll see now is that obviously nothing is happening because data is not arriving. But let me just do that. I will now say something like device 1 is going to push the temperature every second. And as we are doing that, so let me see it here. In this particular case, again, we are now consuming this information for a new device.